All right. Welcome everyone to, what is it, week 4, lesson 6. And so, any questions on the individual preparation?
Nope.
Okay. Should we just get started with the group quiz?
Go right ahead.
Right.
Yeah,
Well,
sounds good.
Okay. Let's open that up. Start. Okay. All right. Questions 1 and true. Answer for yourself. All right, so first thing I'd like to say officially on air is that Daniel couldn't join us. He was busy, but he tried. And he's going to be watching our video to make sure the answers he got match up the ones with which we got. And maybe he'll learn something from watching us later. Okay, so let's start with question 3, and I'll start. When you are taking a sample size of n equals 5, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is right skewed?
What do you guys think it is?
I choose A.
Yeah, it would also be skewed right. Yep.
It's less than 30.
So I'll do this next one. When you are size of 100, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the parent population is right skewed? It's kind of a follow-up question to that last one.
Yep.
E.
Yep, that would be normal.
Yep.
All right, Brad.
Number 5. When
Yep.
you're taking a sample size of n equals 5, what is the shape of the distribution of the mean histogram when the parent population is normally distributed? I choose B.
Yep.
It's only just asking for normal distribution.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's because any sample or any sample size of a normally distributed population will also be normally distributed. All right, question 6. When you are taking a sample size of n equals 100, what is the shape of the distribution of means histogram when the population is normally distributed? Double normal, right? Nah, normal. B again.
B again.
Question 7.
Yep.
When would the distribution of means be normally distributed? Question options. Data are drawn from a population that is normally distributed and the sample size is small. From a population that is normally distributed and the sample size is large, data are drawn from a population that is right skewed and the sample size is small. Data are drawn from a population that is right skewed and the sample size is large.
It's all except with the one.
Yes.
Is it my turn now?
Yep. For question
Which
8.
of the following gives the best illustration of the central limited theorem? If the parent population from which the data are shown normally distributed, then the sample means is X will follow a normal distribution. B, for Bell's ship size, apparently 68 of the data within one standard distribution of the mean, about 95% of the data is fed into distribution of the mean, approximate 99% of the data will be standard distribution of the mean. If the standard size is large, the standard means equals h, but close to the population mean u, or d if the sample size is larger than the shape of distribution simply means it's normally normal. I choose D.
Yeah.
What do you think? It's D?
Yeah.
I'm definitely in agreement with D,
Yeah, I believe it is D.
for sure.
All right. Information. Use the following information to answer the next 4 questions. Let x be a random variable. My marker. So x be a random variable with a population mean of u is equal to 10, a standard deviation of 6, and suppose the sample size of n is 36, is drawn from this population. Okay, what is the mean of the distribution of sample means? That would be 10, because the mean is the same on both.
Yep.
Is number 9 10?
Yes.
Yes. So this next one, we got to do the calculation of where we go. Okay, so what is the standard deviation of the distribution of sample means? It would be the equation. So the number divided by, or minus the mean, divided by the
You're
standard
going a little
deviation.
far ahead.
Okay, sorry.
So, no, it's good. It's asking for the standard deviation for the sample mean. So we figure that out by dividing the root 1 by the square root of our sample size.
Yeah.
So our standard deviation is 6. Were you able to see that well? I kind of blocked off my screen when I did that. Yeah.
So standard deviation. Yes, exactly.
Yep.
So we get an answer of 1, right?
Yep. I agree. It's also on the spectrum. Lesson 6 under number 4.
Should we move on to
It's my turn.
problem 11?
Yep.
Yeah.
It's your turn, Brad.
Regardless of the distribution of the population, if the sample size is larger than 30, what will be the shape distribution of the distribution of the simple means? I should say
Yep. It should be normal.
Yep.
And what theorem would justify your response to the last question? It would be the central limit theorem.
Yes.
should I submit it?
I am. I'm fairly confident in our answers.
Percent.
Yep, 100%. All right, any other questions, comments, concerns, Rotten Tomatoes?
No.
All right.
Nervous about the next one.
All right, I'm going to stop the
I-
broadcast.
Okay.
Do you have anything else that you want the massive world of internet users to know before we finish this broadcast?
No. I got nothing.